Come out here and talk to me.
For what?
I just explained it to you. I need to ask you some questions.
Okay, ask away. You don't need me to come out there to ask the damn
Yes,
question.
I do.
Go back to bed.
Yes, I do. I need you to come out here and talk.
Late at night, police officers arrive at a homeowner's door demanding a face-to-face interaction, disturbing the peace. Under the Fourth Amendment of the U.S. Constitution, the homeowner has the right to refuse entry without a warrant or probable cause. The officer's insistence, especially at such an hour, raises concerns, particularly as they fail to display a badge or proper identification. The homeowner, an auditor known for exposing police misconduct, suspects this visit is retaliation for his auditing activities, making the motives behind their presence even more questionable.
Hey, come to the door, okay? And come to the door.
Hello, what's going on?
Come to the door real quick.
What's up?
Come to the door. I need to talk to you.
Okay, you can talk to me right here, man. What's up, man?
No, I need you to come outside and talk to me real quick.
Okay, why?
I have some questions to ask you. Come on out.
Okay, ask them. I'm in bed, man. You're scaring my dogs.
Come on out.
You have questions to ask, man. Just ask them, dude. I'm in bed.
I'm asking. I need to ask you in person. Come on out.
You just ask them real quick, dude. What the fuck's going on?
Come on out.
Coming out for what? What are you talking about?
I need to talk to you. Come on out.
Okay, talk to me.
Come out here and talk to me.
You talk to me? What's going on?
No, I need you to come out face to face.
Alright, man. Well, I'm going back to bed.
Come on out.
No, I want you to tell me what's going on. I'm going back to bed.
I'm investigating something right now. I need you to come out so I can talk to you.
Okay, well, ask me anything you want, man.
The homeowner repeatedly denies the cops' demands to step outside, insisting that any questions can be asked through the door. Under U.S. law, there is no obligation for a citizen to interact with law enforcement beyond what is legally required, especially without clear identification or legal justification. This scenario illustrates a citizen exercising their rights, refusing to be coerced into a potentially unsafe situation. The homeowner's reluctance is justified by the lack of transparency from the visitors, suggesting a possible misuse of authority or an attempt to intimidate.
Come on out here and I'll talk to you.
Okay, well, I'm not going to, so just, I'm in bed.
I need you to come out here.
Why?
Because I need to ask you some questions about what's going on.
Ask away.
And I need to do it in person. Not through a ring camera. I need to do it to your face.
Okay, well, I don't know what to tell you.
You can tell me that you're getting up, putting on your shoes, and coming outside to talk to me.
Well, I'm not going to do that.
And I need you to come out here.
So, I'm going back to bed, alright?
What's that?
I'm going back to bed.
No, come on out of here, please. I just need to talk to you for a couple seconds.
Well, just talk to me right now.
I need to do it in person, not over a ring camera. I've been over this. I need you to come out.
Why? Why do you need me to come out?
I just explained it to you. I'm not going to sit here and repeat myself. I need you to come out so I can talk to you.
Well, I don't know what to tell you, man. I'm in bed, so I'm going back to sleep. You're scaring my dogs.
I need I need you to come out.
For what?
I just explained it to you. I need to ask you some questions.
Okay, ask away. You don't need me to come out there to ask the damn
Yes,
question.
I do.
Go back to bed.
Yes, I do. I need you to come out here and talk.
Okay, well, ask away, man.
No, I need you to come out here and talk to me.
All right, dude. I'm going back to bed. Good night.
The cop's persistence in trying to lure the homeowner outside escalates the situation, showing a disregard for the homeowner's rights and comfort. Title 18 U.S.C. Section 242 states, "Whoever, under color of any law, statute, ordinance, regulation, or custom, willfully subjects any person to the deprivation of any rights secured or protected by the Constitution or laws of the United States shall be fined under this title or imprisoned not more than 1 year or both." This law highlights the potential abuse of power by law enforcement or those pretending to be, as the cops' actions could be seen as an attempt to bypass legal norms.
Come on out.
The homeowner, maintaining their ground, ultimately forces the cops to retreat with nothing gained but a lesson in humility. The Supreme Court has upheld in numerous cases, like Terry versus Ohio, that law enforcement must have reasonable suspicion for any stop, questioning, or search. Here, the absence of such suspicion or any formal procedure results in a public humiliation for the corrupt officer or imposter, as they are unable to enforce their will without legal backing. This incident serves as a reminder of the boundaries set by law to protect citizens from overreach by those in positions of power. Like and subscribe for more police cam stories. Watch the next recommended video. Click to watch now.